Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. You have to start by open Smart Connect application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Then, on the left side we have EQ, what means Equalizer. Tap at this button. And right here at the top we have Custom EQ, and near to it we have the plus. Click at the plus icon. Now we can make the best one for you. But what the best one? So right now, as you can see, I haven't set to only zeros, because my previous preset, what used it was bass boost. If I set, let's say, crystal sound and go to the plus, it changed. So you can or click at the reset. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. So you can or select one of these presets and modify it, or you can just set everything to 0 and after that modify it. So it's up to you. Now let's make something good. Okay, this one maybe here, and this one I wanna set to 0. And -6 and -4. And let's say this preset it's okay for me. Then you need to click Save and give it a name. So let's remove the previous one and call it Test. Confirm. Now we have one more preset, and we can we customize it? Yeah, you need to just click at the pencil icon near to it. Now you can customize it. You can also right here delete it by click at the delete button and delete. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!